Hey guys, welcome back. We're back again after 2 months of absence. We are back. Welcome back to Sephard and Saipa's channel. We're finally back and we're gonna be talking about the new Jurassic World Survival Instincts. It came out like this. It's a one box with two items inside, and we're gonna compare it to its older variants from Dominion, called the Skorpiovenator and the Iguanodon. Yep, so let's get to it. Let's open the box. There we go. So just like that, there's a name right there. Alright, let's open it up. There you go. It's pretty cool. Okay, you got Sephard and Saifa in the background, being loud. We're gonna compare it. Let's open up the Skorpiovenator first. Alright. Alright, there we go. So first of all, while opening this out, I want to thank you for not giving up on Sephard and Saipa's channel. Even though we've been gone for 2 months, the subscribers are still going up. I thought it would be going down, but they're not. Alright, so here's the Skorpiovenator. Okay, here's the scanning DNA. Yeah, let's get the Iguanodon out. Alright. Alright, now we've been gone for a while due to disappointments in life, but now we're back. Okay. Okay, Iguanodon's tail. There you go. Alright, let's compare it now. This is the Dino Tracker Iguanodon. We're gonna compare it to its Dominion variant. This is the Dominion. It's actually the same variant, just a different paint job. I don't know which is better, which is a better color. I think I like this better now. There you go, same sound. Alright, let's put it aside. There we go, let's bring out the other Skorpiovenator. Here. Actually, I got this like more than a year ago, I think. It's just sitting in the back at the basement. When the other one came out, this one I started to bring it up. Let's cut the tail. Oh, what? Really? Okay, let me get the blade. Apparently the foot is stuck down there. Okay. Oh, one more. There's the tail. Okay, one more. There you go. Okay. So this is the older variant. This is the newer one. Alright, which color is better? Exactly the same. Alright. Stop that, Sephard. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. There you go. Dominion and Dino Trackers. Alright guys, thanks again for the non-stop support. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again guys. Have a great day. Bye.